Hey guys, what's up? This is Thomas here playing a game I got last night that I've had for a while, but yeah, I've been playing it all day because I've been out of school. And let's get started. Oh crap. Nice flip. Oh, oh. Right, 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 right. Come on, I keep getting stuck down there. Let's try this out. Oh, come on! It always happens. That was your fault. Got this, got this. I got it. Boom! Finally finished it. Unlock. Oh yeah. Let's do this. Let's go. Next one. Dang. Yeah, this might be a little hard. And I messed up so badly. Okay, yeah, let's not do that again. What the heck? Too many carpets. Let's do this. Oh! Okay. What the heck? He's behind me already. Yeah, I'm just gonna start over because I messed up so badly. Come on. I need to stop watching TV and play my game. He's making. I cannot stop looking at TV. I want to turn it off, but it's getting pretty good. Ow! Oh, my game's so laggy. Okay, yay, so laggy. Why is my game so laggy? 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 Ow! Oh no! Got out there already. Cannot crash. Yes! Finally! Okay, now let's go. What should we do? Okay, let's go. A new guy, and I screwed up. I am so screwed. Yay. Okay, yeah. That's why they call it master. Let's go. I remember this map from any time. I hate it. So laggy. No! Huh. Yeah. I can't go overboard with the... I need to get better, like my big brother. Perfect. I got this in the bag. I got this in the bag. I got this in the bag. Let's do it. So laggy. My hands are getting sweaty. Oh, hot. I'm starting to get wet-ish. My video on my Xbox. I hate this map. I could never get this map. My game is so laggy. Come on. Yeah. Well, that'll be it for today. Because last time I tried doing a video over like 15 minutes, it said, well, you can't do that because it's too much. It's too long. So, I'll see y'all later. This is Thomas.